तो और भाई लोग क्या हाल चाल एंड आज हमारे साथ जुड़ चुके हैं फिर से रंजीत बजाज सर। तो थैंक यू सर फॉर कमिंग एंड इट्स ऑलवेज अ प्लेजर टू टॉक टू यू regarding things around football. So thank you sir for coming, and the reason we are doing this podcast sir is आप सभी को पता है एंड हमें भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा जो AIFF ने करा है अभी, बिकॉज फुटसाल की इन्होंने लीग करा दी, बट फुटसाल की टीम नहीं भेज रहे, जो मतलब AFC फुटसाल चैंपियनशिप हो रही है वहाँ पे टीम नहीं भेजी। तो इस पे सर ऐसा क्यों हुआ है? ये रिलक्टेंस बार-बार हमें देखने को मिलती है एंड ये क्यों हुआ है सर?
They keep on talking about development. They keep on talking about teams कि हमको आगे वर्ल्ड कप पहुंचना है। तो जहाँ पे हमारे चांसेस होते हैं आगे जाने के, वहाँ पे हमारी टीम ही नहीं एंटर करते। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, they don't focus at all on the women, and women's ranking is so high that if you focus on them even for 5 or 10 years, they can get into the World Cup because that's where they stand right now. Now in futsal, it's very interesting to know. See, people don't understand where Asians or even Indians can get an edge on everybody else's in futsal. That is why teams like Vietnam, Uzbekistan, and even Iran are doing so well in the World Cup. Last time Lithuania 2021 World Cup, 5 teams of Asia qualified for the World Cup. All 5 of them reached the knockout round. See, इनके पास, घोड़ों के पास, and even all the African nations, what they have over us is their physique, which they keep on talking about. Indians की body नहीं होती है, size नहीं होता है, and then stamina नहीं होता है. All these things become zero in a small-sided game. It's only on skill, and it's all about your intelligence in football. And this is where we would have been able to compete toe to toe with any team. And I'm so confident of it because I've seen what our boys can do. I'm not talking about Delhi FC. I've seen even boys coming from small teams, from small towns, and teams like Mangala, for example,
मंगला
who had
कटक
no exactly. So वहाँ से टीम आके ने इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म किया, इसका मतलब टैलेंट कितना ज्यादा है हमारे पास. And अभी हमारे पास मौका था to get into it and to be in the main draw and to qualify in the Asian Cup. यहाँ ये हमने गलती की थी फीफा की, जब वर्ल्ड कप में हमारे को एंट्री मिली थी एंड वी डिडंट. अभी तक रो रहे हैं कि हमने क्यों नहीं किया. हमारे को 4 बारी एशियन कप में क्वालिफिकेशन मिली है, उसमें पहले 2-3 बारी तो फ्री में मिल गई थी because we were hosting it, once we were pretty good in it football 1977. So ये होता ना कि अगर हम हर रोज क्वालिफाई कर रहे होते for every tournament of winning it, then you can have this attitude. Having this kind of attitude where we are trying to develop the game, the reason you had the futsal game, and that's, I'm quoting the Mr. Kushal Das when he says that futsal is a game to develop football. And if you see any countries where you see football, from Messi to Robinho to Ronaldinho, all they say that we develop our skills by playing in backyards and small-sided games. So futsal is nothing but an SSG, is a rondo, and people keep on talking about rondo and SSG. That's what futsal is. And if you get good in controlling yourself in a small-sided game, that player can very easily adjust in a big-sided game as long as he gets the right training. So matlab ke to start for the grassroots, it is the perfect game. And how do you get kids interested in it? Indian kids only be interested if we become world beaters. So we had a chance to get into the World Cup and become huge stars in the world of futsal, and then inspire more kids to join football. See, people who join futsal is football. Futsal is not a different game, and that is why it is under AIFF and it is under FIFA, because it's part of the same game. And that is why they have an AFC Cup and they have a World Cup, and that is why India had a FIFA National Futsal Championship and they had a club championship. And even after having that, they still don't do it. And so there's no कोई valid excuse है ही नहीं इस बात की कि आप लोगों ने एंट्री नहीं भेजी. फिर कहते नहीं है, बड़े कंट्रीज भेजती हैं, रिच कंट्रीज भेजती है. नहीं यार, नेपाल ने भी भेजी है, अफगानिस्तान तो ऐसी कंट्री है जो लास्ट 20 years से they've been in war. Last year उनके जितने भी फुटबॉलर्स थे उनको evacuate किया गया when the Taliban took over Kabul. So imagine a country which is war torn and which had their entire footballers had to be evacuated from there and are living in some other country. They have been able to enter the tournament except us. Why? Because somebody in the top hierarchy of AIFF decided no. So that's what makes it sad, because football is still being run by people in this country who don't understand football.
यही बात है सर। एंड क्वालिटी ऑफ प्लेयर्स में मैं पूछना चाहूँगा सर, देखो हमने लीग देखी, सबरीज जो है वो नेमार की फाइफर्स जूनियर स्क्वाड में फाइवर साइड में सिलेक्ट हुआ है। आपका निखिल माली की जो परफॉर्मेंस थी, मतलब निखिल माली ने तो क्या ही स्टेलर परफॉर्मेंस, हर मैच में लाइक फाइव फाइव गोल्स मार रहा था। तो वो चीज़ें जब हम देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पास टैलेंट की कोई कमी नहीं है सर। बट जब ये टीम ही नहीं भेज रहे तो सर, जैसे आप निखिल माली से आप मतलब आप जानते हो आपका प्लेयर है, तो उसको कैसा लग रहा है, लाइक प्लेयर्स पे कैसा लगता है, क्योंकि सर आपको कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करने का चांस कितना
While
इंपॉर्टेंट रहता है
he
प्लेयर्स
said,
के लिए।
they know that when this happened and they won, so the first thing Nikhil Mali and Scott Moares, my keeper, and Nal, this boy from Pune, they all asked me, "Okay, we'll be representing India. Then that means if we'll be having a India trials because AFC is coming up." I say, "Yeah, definitely, bro, because now they've seen AFC futsal. By the way, AFC had granted us the spot already. So if you
ओ।
go into look onto Wikipedia पे जाओगे ना, AFC futsal championship करोगे तो उसमें देखोगे कौन सी कंट्रीज किस साल में पहले साल आए हैं। सो 2022 वहां पे सिर्फ इंडिया का फ्लैग लगा हुआ है कि हमारे को इस बार एंट्री मिली थी, एंड दीस फकर्स डिड नॉट इवन सेंड इट देयर। इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट। नॉट बॉयज फीलिंग बैड, बॉयज वर क्राइंग। मेरी टीम से probably they would have only been two or three boys who would have been selected. There would have been three boys, one or two boys I know from Mangala would have been selected, I think, and probably one or two from Mohammed Sporting, the Mumbai boys and Pune boys from there. Then there's so many, and from other teams from like from the northeast, there were three, four teams which were really, really good. So even Vasa, Seven Vasa United. I mean, all these teams had it in them to go ahead and give voice to India. Now imagine क्या होता है अगर इंडिया खेल लिया वो, तो उसको गारंटीड इंडिया में एटलीस्ट 1000 फुटसल टूर्नामेंट्स होते हैं। उसको हर टीम बुलाती है और उसको पैसे देती है। उसका करियर बन गया था यार।
करियर।
जो फुटसल का कोच था उसको अगली बार जब फुटसल चैंपियनशिप होती उसको कोई पैसे देके हायर करता, उसका करियर बन गया था। जो फिजियो होता उसका करियर बन गया था। जो फुटसल में एनालिस्ट होता उसका करियर बन गया था। व्हाई ही वुड हैव बीन रिप्रेजेंटिंग इंडिया इन द एएफसी कप। एंड मे बी सपोज इफ इंडिया डन वेल, the salaries in Iran, because Iran is a world champion and was a world champion, and so is Korea does well, Japan does well.
जापान।
These guys earn as much as a football player earns. So imagine if suppose a Nikhil Mali, and why not? How do you know Nikhil Mali is not good enough to shine there? He's never been allowed to play there. I'm telling you, Indians are good enough. They just not been playing them. Now, if this Nikhil Mali had gone there and become really, really big, he would have got a contract from some club and he would have been making 10 times more money than he would have ever made in India. And it would have settled him. Now, it's not about him making money. 100 other boys would have seen Nikhil Mali and his experience and they would have joined football. And now those boys will play cricket. Why? Where's the money? Cricket. Opportunity कहाँ है? Cricket. इंडिया में खेलने का जगह कहाँ पे है? क्रिकेट या
क्रिकेट।
cricket, basketball, hockey, I mean every other sport except football. Why will they join football? यहाँ पे तो हमारी फेडरेशन हमारी टीम्स नहीं भेजती है नेशनल के लिए, इंटरनेशनल टूर्नामेंट्स के लिए, इवन व्हेन दे हैव एंट्री। सो
सर ये इनकॉम्पिटेंस का कुछ सोल्यूशन है, क्योंकि हम मैंने तो एक कुछ पढ़ रहा था मैं कल परसों, मतलब इलेक्शंस हो सकते हैं बट उन्होंने कुछ ऐसे अजम्पशंस पे लाइक वो करा रखे कि इलेक्शंस
देखो
ही नहीं हो
कितना,
रहे।
just imagine that they are
हाँ।
using the COVID
मतलब।
thing for not
हाँ।
having this and
हम।
assumptions पे कि क्योंकि कोर्ट ने बोला ये कि जब ठीक होएगा, तो कोर्ट ने ये नहीं बोला था कि इलेक्शन होने नहीं चाहिए, but they are
हम्म।
assuming it and no one is doing anything about it because nobody cares. See, the people in power, the ones who actually can do something about it, they really don't care. None of them is a real football lover. अगर हमारे ऐसा कोई maybe one day, maybe what we require is one of the people in power, somebody like a Modi who is a football lover. You know, जैसे अब for example, जो चाइना का president है Xi Jinping, even though he's a dictator, but he is a great football fanatic. So उसने आते ही ऐसा किया है कि he has at least made football schools all over China and he's training people and the results will come. They'll come after 20 years. No, even China, even up, see, understand, even China has so much of money. Even they try to do it this way, जैसे ISL कर रही है। 2 साल के बाद अकल आ गई उनको। उन्होंने सारों में बैन लगा दिया कि you cannot get this fucking stupid transfer. It's not helping Chinese football. After spending so much of money, you going and drawing with countries like India. That is the thing they use. Countries like India. So, and that's true. So you don't become Messi by playing with Messi. Simple as that. You become Messi by playing morning and evening every day since the age of 5.
ट्रू सर। एंड नेक्स्ट चीज़ पे आते हैं सर। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस ऑन विनिंग द दिल्ली लीग ऑब्वियसली। तो सर मैं तो हर मैच में ही था, ऑब्वियसली मैं काम कर रहा था तो मैं टच लाइन पे था। एंड मैंने मैचेस सारे देखे, दिल्ली एफसी के सारे मैचेस देखे थे। मेरे को एक चीज़ पूछनी थी कि 2-3 साइड्स को हटा दो अगर आप, दिल्ली एफसी या बाकी 2-3 साइड्स, तो बाकी इतना स्टैग्नेंट लेवल है फुटबॉल का और इम्प्रूवमेंट बिल्कुल भी नहीं है दिल्ली की टीम्स में। तो आपको क्या लगता है स्टेट लीग्स को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए, पर्टिकुलरली दिल्ली की अगर इम्प्रूवमेंट की बात हो रही है कि क्वालिटी ऑफ फुटबॉल, क्योंकि ब्रांड ऑफ फुटबॉल मेरे को दिल्ली एफसी का ही दिखता है कि जो दिखता है कि हाँ भाई ये मतलब लॉन्ग बॉल्स नहीं, शॉर्ट पासिंग पे फोकस कर रहे हैं, पोजीशन रखना चाह रहे हैं। तो ऐसी मतलब क्या चीज़ें रहती है जो मतलब इम्प्रूव कर सकती है स्टेट लीग को, क्योंकि दिल्ली की लीग बिल्कुल भी
See,
वैसी नहीं है।
I am the one who got Shaji to get this sportscast. बहुत मुश्किल से मैंने इस लीग को टेलीकास्ट करवाया. So Aditya was great enough. Aditya is the owner of Sportscast. He was great enough to come on to Delhi League and do it for free. So they didn't have to spend any money, get commentators for free, and they've been trying to do this with all other state leagues as well.
Hmm.
So the moment you have any league being telecast, good players want to play in that league. Why? Because they become CV. Suppose if I am a good player, I'm just giving you an example, and I have to play in Delhi League or I have to play in XYZ League. In XYZ League, I'm getting 1 lakh a month, but in Delhi League, I'm getting 75,000 a month. But Delhi League is telecast and that does not. I'll play in Delhi League. Why? Because I have a CV for my next club. Doesn't matter what I do in the other club unless I'm a striker and I score 20 goals. Otherwise, all other positions will have to have some video to go on. कि मैंने last season में क्या किया. So more better players will start now coming. So what was happening? Why are out of all the leagues till today, which is the best league in India in states, is Calcutta League. Why? Because that's the only league which has been telecast for such a long time. Then
Hmm.
after that, what is the best league? Which is the Goa League, which is telecast locally. So see, wherever is telecast, the standard of football will go up. Number one. Number two, that first step has been taken. So hopefully they sign proper contracts and they don't get copyright strikes like they've got this time. And there's no
Oh.
problem like that next time. Then you need to make give some kind of incentive to teams to participate. That means there has to be some kind of prize money, or there has to be some kind, if not prize money, if some kind of points or something to be looking forward to the end of the season, that the teams get some kind of a payout. Because end of the day, they are not helping us in any costs, which we don't want costs that way. We're talking about costs where they're supposed to help us, like on match days having proper preparation, on match days making sure the dressing rooms are stocked at least with water, and then making sure the proper medical facilities are there, and making sure that proper referees are there. The refereeing standard was abysmal. Half the people, not half the clubs, each and every club except one or two clubs, I think all 18 clubs had problem with the refereeing. Because it was not that if refereeing was bad against one, it was bad against the standard of refereeing was abysmal. And see, all these things are seen on telecast and on TV, and when other
Telecast.
players see this happening, then it just stops the standard of the game. So more and more matches. That means you need to have. Suppose there's a instead of having a Super League of 20 and then 10-10, there should be
Hmm.
one proper league which should go on for at least 4 months.
Okay.
Then you can have a champion. That means you have 4 matches and you play 19 matches, 20 total teams, or 19 matches you play. That's a league. So now we are still playing around the same number of matches, but we are playing baat nahi banti wo. So playing some of the teams again. Whereas
Hmm.
a league should be that you get to play each and every other league in the Super League, in the top division. And then you have a longer season. Then the best team always comes out. And when you see why these guys do it like this is because they want to make it shorter, and they want to save money for themselves and for the club owners. But unless club owners, the Delhi football becomes like Delhi FC and they start having an academy where the players play together, they will
Hmm.
never improve standards. If they bring like what they're still wanting to do, that have a league for 1 month and then bring the league boys together for 10 days before the league. Why? Because if you have them together for 3 months, then you have to pay for them. But the standard will not go up. Now, then the only thing you can do is play long ball football and try to hope to win. If you want to make sure you win and put on a good performance, then you have to put in the hours on the field. And that has to happen when the team is together at least for 3 months or 2.5 months before the league starts. So that means the season is extended to 6 months. So the team who's making it to the second division is getting an 8 month season. The team who's making it to the I League gets a proper 1 year, full 12-month season, man. That's what,
Hmm.
and our first 3 months obviously are training season, but 9 months of playing time. And that's what Europe is. So that's
Yes.
what we should be aiming for.
रेफरिंग पे थोड़ी बात कर लेते हैं। रेफरिंग पे मेरे को ये पूछना था कि रेफरी के पर्सपेक्टिव से कि उनको भी सैलरीज़ मतलब कुछ भी वायबल नहीं है रेफरी की भी जॉब करना एंड
नहीं,
उनको मैचेस लाइक क्योंकि आपने भी बोला कि लीग तो लंबी चल नहीं रही, मतलब वो कुछ और ही जॉब्स करते हैं, फिर जब ये लीग आ जाती है तब उनको रेफरिंग करनी पड़ती है। तो इसमें भी तो आई गेस ब्लेम एआईएफएफ या फिर इन्हीं सब ऑर्गनाइजेशंस को जाता है क्योंकि रेफरिंग भी एक वायबल ऑप्शन है नहीं इंडिया में। तो सर ये इसको
डेफिनेटली।
भी कैसे इम्प्रूव कर
See,
सकते हैं सर?
you have to see कि अगर आप, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं एज अ इफ आई डोंट हैव एनी अदर जॉब, suppose I start looking for jobs, the first job I look for probably कि मैं ठीक है चलो I can speak or I can write and so I can get an educated job. ठीक है. Now if suppose somebody is uneducated living in a slum area, he is very poor, वो कभी सोच सकता है कि मैं बैंक मैनेजर की जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करूंगा? नहीं. तो वो किस जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करेगा? He'll apply for a job of breaking bricks on the road. वो लेबर
हुँ,
के लिए अप्लाई करेगा. सो वो देखते हैं किस स्टैंडर्ड के लिए कौन अप्लाई करता है। अगर आपने पैसे देने हैं उनको 500 से 1000 रुपया पर मैच, तो आप देखो ना फिर किस स्टैंडर्ड के बंदे आप अप्लाई करेंगे। एंड आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ द रेफरीज के किस बंदे का स्टैंडर्ड कम है। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट
हुँ,
हाउ मच टाइम ही विल बी एबल टू स्पेयर फॉर रेफरी। सो मतलब इट विल बी समबडी हू वांट्स टू अर्न लिटिल बिट ऑफ पॉकेट मनी, हू विल हैव लिटिल बिट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इन इट। ठीक है? सो ही विल नॉट गिव हिज लाइफ फॉर इट, ही विल नॉट डिवोट हिज लाइफ। सो अनलेस यू डिवोट, सो जितने भी रेफरीज होते हैं, अनलेस दे डिवोट देयर लाइफ टू देयर प्रोफेशन,
हुँ,
they will not be good. So when I say devote their life, somebody, all these referees who are there, they are all got government jobs. So उनको
हुँ,
पैसों की कमी नहीं है. They are not coming there for 500 या 1000 रुपया. They are coming there because उनका शौक है. Being honest with you. So it's very great on them. But that doesn't improve football. अगर उन्होंने शौक पूरे करने हैं अपने, they should go and do शौक पूरे in school tournaments or even lower than that. ठीक है? Because
एग्ज़ैक्टली।
here people are paying money to professional football. People are watching professional football. They don't want these idiots to come and ruin the game. And why? Because they don't spend enough money training themselves, doing fitness. मैंने देखे हैं लाइन्समैन जो they don't even get to the line of the offside and they're raising their flags because they don't want to run 10 meters more. और मेरे सामने होता है और मैं मुंह पे बोलता हूँ कि just because मैं बोलता हूँ उनको कि तुम्हारे से
मेक्स
भागा
सेंस।
नहीं आता तो तुम ऑफसाइड फ्लैग करते हो, और फिर उसको बुलाता है और फिर मुझे येलो कार्ड दिलाते हैं। हाउ कैन अ रेफरी कम एंड टेल मी, मैंने सुना ठीक है मैं गाली निकालूंगा तू मुझे रेड कार्ड देगा, तू मुझे गाली कैसे निकाल देता है आगे? So he came and abused me, and I'm saying, you can be hearing me saying, "How can you call me fucker? How can you call me fucker?" He calls the referee and gives me a red card for nothing in the 88th minute. So see, मेरे को कोई मैच consequential था ही नहीं, हम तो लीग 2 मैच पहले जीत चुके थे, and we were
हुँ,
giving chances. All my players had gone for on loan to I League, and Anwar had gone to ISL. So my entire team was out. मैं तो बच्चे खिला रहा था. So I had no
हुँ,
expectation of winning also because we had already won the title. We had just come here to click photographs with our trophy. That's it. So we had, there was not कि हम इतने थे, but him coming and doing that shows that the referees are not there for developing the game. They are there for taking their personal kundaks out. And not only with me, this happened with at least 4 other clubs. See now understand what happens. So अगर पूरी टीम है, पूरी टीम को फिक्स करना बहुत मुश्किल है फुटबॉल में।
हुँ,
एक बंदे को फिक्स करना बहुत ईजी है, रेफरी को। क्योंकि
हुँ,
पूरी टीम को फिक्स करने के लिए तुम्हारे को पूरे 11 बंदे चाहिए टू मेक अ मिस्टेक, व्हिच डज नॉट हैपन, मैन, डज नॉट हैपन। इतने, आई रियली नो, इतना गिरा नहीं है फुटबॉल के प्लेयर्स विल, ऑल 11 विल बी सो बैंकरप्ट। उनमें
हुँ,
से एक ना एक होएगा मेरे ऐसा जो बोलेगा नहीं कभी नहीं करेगा।
हुँ,
बट हाउ मेनी रेफरीज कैन यू चेक? So that is where I think things are getting screwed up. And I think now there's a rampant, I'm not talking about referees in Delhi. I'm not talking about referees in any particular place, but I am telling you there's rampant fixing going on in football in India.
ओके
And
सर।
it's been going on for the last 5, 7 years and 10 years, and no one is doing anything about it. And everyone knows it's open.
क्या बोले सर अब इसमें तो फिर कैसे डेवलप होगा कोई फुटबॉल या कोई भी स्पोर्ट अगर इतना ज़्यादा करप्शन रहेगा?
Yeah,
एनीवेज़ सर
right,
हाँ
that's
जी सर।
India. So we have to, that's what we are now. This new generation, your generation, has to make sure that you've seen कि पिछली generations ने क्या गलतियां की हैं, कि politicians and bureaucrats have been allowed to get into sports, then corporates have been allowed to get into sports. Your generation has to make sure that these people now get out of sports.
यस सर। तो सर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं। संदेश पाजी की जो रिटर्न है, मतलब हार्ट ब्रेक ही है एक टाइप से, क्योंकि बहुत सारी उम्मीदें थी हमें कि उन्हें गेम टाइम मिलेगा एंड वो सब।
Had an injury.
हाँ,
Their
इंजरी थी।
physios, their physios, unfortunately were not good enough to treat him. They were diagnosing some other injury and they were treating that injury. Then he came back to me in December.
यस
We
सर।
diagnosed him. My physios diagnosed him with a totally different injury, जिसकी treatment हुई नहीं थी, calf की. And then we
ओके।
started strengthening him, making him better and better and better. He got totally fit. And then the ownership of that club changed, of the Croatian club.
एच एन के
So
सिपनिच।
yes, so now then he came to know कि पहले तो मुझे फाइट बैक भी करना पड़ेगा
हुँ,
वापस आने के लिए टीम में, but there's no game time guarantee, and I want to be.
हुँ,
So his aim was to be playing for India. He knew
हुँ,
that if he has 1 year out, they won't even consider him for playing for India. So he wanted to make sure he gets game time, and that is why he signed a short contract in now, because it's not that he's given up on his dreams of Europe. He's just come back because he wants game time and he wants to show people that he's fit and he should be considered for all future India arguments before the next season comes.
एंड सर लास्ट क्वेश्चन। फिर कल सभी खुश हो गए थे क्योंकि हमने अनवर भाई की परफॉर्मेंस देखी, बिल्कुल ही इतनी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस। तो आपको कैसा लगा सर, मतलब जो
It
अनवर भाई ने
was
कल
such
परफॉर्मेंस।
so. See, these are the moments. ये सारा तूने अभी बताया, करप्शन डेवलपमेंट कैसी होएगी, ये क्या होएगा, फिर इन चीजों के बाद सिल्वर लाइनिंग आती है। और जैसे
हुँ,
जैक्सन का वर्ल्ड कप का गोल था,
जैक्सन का
और
गोल।
हिमांशु एंड विकास शुभनाम टॉप 60 गार्डियंस लिस्ट में थे। Now Anwar making his comeback is as big, man, because everybody had written him off, and the fans fought for him, and we
यस सर।
fought for him, all of us together, and we won. And we were right. So the fans were right, and AFF was wrong. So we were able to
यस
do
सर।
that. And not only that, he's going to now come back and pay the fans back, because not only in FC Goa fans, I'm talking about he's going to be playing for the country. And
यस
then
सर।
all of us who supported Anwar will be so great that we went and made that little comment, or we made that fight, and we made sure that they heard us. So it was a great satisfying moment yesterday. I'm so happy for Anwar.
यस सर, मतलब मैं भी जब अनवर भाई से मिला था, बहुत ही हम्बल है, मतलब नेचर वाइज़ बहुत ही चुपचाप से रहते हैं एंड डिलीवर करते हैं परफॉर्मेंस स्टेडियम में, मतलब एट द पार्क। सो सर, थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग इन एंड थैंक यू फॉर योर टाइम एंड थैंक यू सर। आप आते
Thank you,
रहो
my
एंड
brother,
इंडियन
and may
फुटबॉल
you
के
have a
लिए।
happy new year, and
एंड हैप्पी न्यू
hoping
टू यू
for
सर।
a very happy new year for Indian football fans, and
यस
hope
सर।
your team gets all, not your team means all the fans, their teams do well, and
हुँ,
really hope our country does well.
यस, थैंक यू सर।